Amy.
And I'm Kristen. And today we are making pretzel peanut butter bars. And one of my most favorite things about these is that you don't have to use an oven. They are no bake.
The best part of cooking
Exactly.
is not having to use an oven.
Okay, so first we're going to take some melted butter. It's about 1.5 sticks or 3/4 cup of butter. We have 2 cups of peanut butter here, and she's just going to take about half of it. So about 1 cup of peanut butter.
There.
And then let's do our pretzels next.
Okay.
So we have about 2 cups of pretzels, but we're gonna save some to put on the top of them. It'll work. And then we have.
This is usually how our cooking goes.
Yes,
anyway.
it usually does. In the
Let's
oven, in the kitchen, it's crazy here. Okay, then we're gonna stick in our powdered sugar. So we have about 2 cups of powdered sugar. Just want to make sure all your pretzels are covered. Okay. And we'll let you mix that for a little bit before we add our chocolate chips. I love anything that's no bake and peanut butter with chocolate in it. I can eat it all day long.
That's true. And they're popular recipes too. We make a lot of things that are peanut butter and no bake, but
Exactly.
because you can't go wrong.
Exactly.
Okay. I think we're good. Let's add in some chocolate chips.
Yep, let's stick in the chocolate chips. And it's looking a little gooey, so I'm going to actually throw in a little bit more powdered sugar.
Added another cup of powdered sugar just to give it a little more thickness.
Thicken it up.
Yeah. You don't want it to be too runny, otherwise it won't set up.
Okay, so then you're going to stick it in by either an 8x11 or a 9x9 pan would work just fine. So you want to spray the pan, and then you're going to just pour it on.
Yeah, I'll help you hold it.
Thank you. It's heavier than I
It's
thought.
always easier with 2 people to scrape out a bowl, but
Alright, so once you get it in there, you're just going to spread it out flat. And you can use a smaller pan if you want. If you want thicker bars, or if you want really thin bars, you could use a 9x13 pan. But I like this thickness by using an 8x11. Alright, okay. Ready for our next step?
yes.
Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to melt our chocolate chips and our peanut butter together in the microwave. So I'm going to do that. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so I am back, and I melted the chocolate chips and peanut butter together. So it was about 1.5 cups of chocolate chips and about 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of peanut butter together. Okay, so we're just going to pour this right over the top of it. Sorry about the kids screaming in the back. We're moms, is what we do. Okay, so we're just going to spread this out.
Like a really good frosting.
Buttered chocolate frosting.
Then, once you've got it covered, you can sprinkle your leftover pretzels on top, just for a little extra crunch, and because it looks good.
Well, while she's finishing that up, you'd put it in the fridge for about 1 hour to 2 hours, or until it's set up. You can also stick it in the freezer, and it will set up a lot faster. And thank you so much for joining us today. If you want to check out other recipes that we have, you can go to sixsistersstuff.com.